Welcome to today's game in this top-of-the-table affair. These two sides are household names. Both expect to win this game, but who's going to drop points in this dramatic affair?
This then, how the home team is lining up. The away side has gone for this lineup. So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game. This is Xhaka. Well cut out. It's with the defender now. Played wide.
Tackled by Piqué. And tackled by Mascherano. Neymar. Messi! Not the best effort there.
Let's see that one again. Keeper sends it long. And he's back in possession. Sends it forward. Messi. He's onside here. Pulls the trigger.
Great save by Cech. It's a throw-in.
Well read. Mkhitaryan.
Busquets. Fine tackle. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down.
And the team swap possession again. But they've got a chance just to regroup now.
Well intercepted.
And with the defender now. They've won it back. They're appealing, but he's onside.
Oh, here's Messi.
Cech saves. Good ball. Alba with the tackle.
Can anyone get on to the end of this one?
Oh, well intercepted. And the team swap possession again. Well, not too many talking points in that opening 45 minutes. Let's hope the half-time team talk conjures up some better play in the second period. This team have made changes. It looks like they're really going for it in the second half. It's goalless, 0-0. Can anyone score in this second half?
Busquets in possession.
Umtiti. It's level. It looks like this team... Oh, that's great determination. Mkhitaryan. Well timed, well cut out. It's a tight game here, but this could be a chance for the opposition to penetrate the back line.
Busquets, fine tackle, long ball then. Neymar. The assistant's kept his flag down.
Simply no messing about there, clean finish. So it's 1-0.
Ozil.
This is Xhaka.
Not a good challenge.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. Good distribution from the keeper there. Piqué. And the team swap possession again.
Neymar.
Alba.
Using the width here. Suarez. Striker's ball. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Neymar. Passed inside. This is Xhaka. Oh, that's a rash challenge there.
Looks like the referee's going to have words here, but he's going to keep his cards in his pocket. Referee very much...
It's a tactical change here then.
Mkhitaryan. Oh, he did really well there. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. And that's lofted upfield. And he's won it back for his team.
This is Xhaka. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down.
That'll be the goalkeeper's ball then. That's nicely played. They've won the ball back again. I wouldn't be at all surprised if he gets the Man of the Match award. He's cut it back inside. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Well cut out. Mkhitaryan, and it's full time here. The game settled with a decisive goal. Well, I think they've got the right man of the match. He put in more than 100%.